niego. Przechodzimy teraz do nagród festiwalu Nowe Horyzonty. Dwie nagrody, nagroda publiczności i nagroda przyznana przez jury. Z wielką przyjemnością teraz ogłaszam nagrodę właśnie przyznaną przez Państwa, przez publiczność, i Państwo uznali, że film Metamorfoza ptaków, portugalski film Catariny Vasconcelos, był najlepszym filmem w konkursie 20. edycji festiwalu Nowe Horyzonty. Teraz proszę o film, którym zabierze głos laureatka tej nagrody.
So congratulations to the filmmakers, and now for the two awards in the New Horizons competition, the Audience Award and the award given by the jury. And I will announce the Audience Award first. It is a great pleasure for me to announce that the film voted the best in the competition by the New Horizons audience is the Metamorphosis of Birds by Catarina Vasconcelos. So this is the Audience Award in the 20th New Horizons competition. Let us see the video now.
Hello, I'm Catarina, and I'm the director of the Metamorphosis of Birds, and I'd like to say thank you so much for this wonderful and most touching award, which is the Audience Award. I would like to say thank you so much to the audience, to the Polish audience, and to the festival for keeping on doing in these quite hard times we are all going through. I'm extraordinarily happy about this award, because it's the award of the people, is the people who saw the film. So thank you so much. This is incredibly important, and I must say that I've received the most beautiful and tender messages from Poland in the last few days. They were some of the most beautiful reactions I've ever had to my film. They made me extremely moved. I don't want to start crying right now, but it was extremely moving. So thank you so much. I'm the one who has to say thank you to all of you. It has been such a very beautiful last few days. Although I'm not with you in Wrocław, I feel that I was very nearby because of the text message that I've received. So thank you so much. I send you all of my love from Lisbon, and I hope we can meet soon and give a big hug. Lots of love. Ciao.